안녕하세요. Hello, K-friends. I am Chung. If you are new to my channel, it's nice to meet you. If you are returning, welcome back. This summer, my daughter finally left home to college. When I think about her, one cuisine comes to my mind, and it's soy sauce noodles. She loves it very much. It's super easy and simple to make it. I'm pretty sure everyone can make it if you follow my step-by-step instructions. Let's get started right away. Please make sure press the subscription and turn on post notification button for more delicious Korean recipe. Your likes and comments really give me a lot of strength. Thank you. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. Slice 1 green onion thinly. I'm gonna use it as a garnish later. This is optional. Put an egg. At this time, grill it as if the egg is being fried. I'm gonna put it on top of the noodles. Step 2. Boiling noodles. Pour plenty of water into the pot. When boiling noodles, add a lot of water and boil them so the noodles don't stick together and cook them evenly. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. If you add salt when boiling noodles, the boiling point of water goes up and the noodles become chewier. At a Korean mart, you can find 2 main types of noodles, somyeon and jjungmyeon. Somyeon means thin noodles, jjungmyeon are noodles that thicker than somyeon. Put the noodles in the boiling water. I'm gonna use somyeon today. It takes about 3 minutes and 30 seconds to boil the noodles. It's also a good idea to look at the instructions on the package. Stir frequently so that the noodles do not stick together. When the water rises, add about half a cup of cold water. And then, when the water rises again, add another half cup of water. When the water rises for third time, turn off the heat. Wash the noodles in cold water right away. If you wash the noodles a couple of times, the noodles will not swell and will become clear. Drain the well-washed noodles in a strainer. Step 3. Mix the noodles with the sauce. Place the noodles in a bowl. Put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Koreans basically like the savory taste of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. This is optional. And mix well. If you don't like the smell of garlic, you can skip this step. Place the noodles in a bowl. Place the fried eggs on top. Put some sliced green onions. Sprinkle with a bit of sesame seeds on top. Super simple and delicious soy sauce noodles are done. Wow, the savory sesame oil scent is amazing. Let me have a bite. Wow, it tastes so good. If you don't want to cook, why don't you make a super simple but tasty soy sauce noodles? So good. How was making the soy sauce noodles? Soy sauce noodle is a very good choice as a snack or a lunch menu. It's not spicy, so everyone can enjoy these savory noodles. If you want, you can add your favorite vegetables and meats in the soy sauce noodles. I hope you enjoyed my episode today. If you like my video, please push the like and subscription button. This is all for today. See you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.